Are you planning a trip to Germany and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 3 best eSIM options for Germany in 2025. I'll walk you through the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've got discount links for all 3 providers in the description, so don't miss those. All right, let's dive in. The eSIM I recommend for Germany is Airalo. Their pricing is super competitive and great for both short and longer trips. Plans start at just $4.50 for 1 GB, valid for 7 days. You can also go for 2 GB for $6 or 3 GB for $8.50 if you need just a little more. All 3 coming with a 15-day validity. If you're staying longer, they've got options like 5 GB for $11, 10 GB for $16, and even 20 GB for just $23.50, all valid for 30 days. The Airalo app is super smooth. Just pick a plan, pay, and you'll get a QR code right away. If you ever run out of data, topping up is quick and easy right inside the app as well. Now, if you're looking for higher speed options or want something even simpler, Maya Mobile is another solid pick. Their plans are valid for 10 days and everything is 5G ready. You've got 3 GB for $7.19, 5 GB for $8.99, 10 GB for $14.39, or bigger bundles like 20 GB for $20.69 and 40 GB for $31.49. If you need unlimited data, that's available too for just $26.99. There's no app you have to install, just visit their website, choose a plan, and you'll get activated instantly. It's fast, it's clean, and it works. If you've already tried Airalo and Maya Mobile and found their options didn't meet your needs, then I'd recommend MobiMatter. If you're someone who needs a huge amount of data, they offer 50 GB for $34.99 or 15 GB for just $12.99. They also have regional unlimited data plan for 10 days at $14.99, which works across multiple countries in Europe, including Germany. But if you're only traveling within Germany and want the best balance of price and simplicity, Airalo and Maya still offer the most convenient choices. Now, let me explain how to claim your discount and get set up. For Maya, just click the link in the description, search for Germany, and choose your plan. The 10% discount will be automatically applied at checkout. You'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it and your eSIM activates right away. For Airalo, same thing. Use my link, pick Germany, and the discount is already built in. You can manage everything through their app. And if you decide to go with MobiMatter, you can just use the link in the description as well to get up to 50% cashback on your first purchase. So, which one should you choose? If you want the best value with flexible plans and easy top-ups, Airalo is a great choice. But if you prefer 5G speeds and want an unlimited option without any app hassle, Maya Mobile is a fantastic alternative. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with good coverage and data packs, MobiMatter is definitely worth considering as well. All the links are in the description with discounts and bonuses already applied. Pick the one that fits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be online in Germany in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM cards, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.